welcome to Ajaxar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss laws of motion in this objective type questions part 2. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let us go to the today's session. First one. The propulsion of a rocket is based on the principle of conservation of linear momentum, energy, angular momentum, mass. The propulsion of rocket is based on the principle of conservation of linear momentum. First option is correct. Next one. You hold a rubber ball in your hand. The Newton's third law, companion force to the force of gravity of the ball is the force exerted by the ball on the earth, ball on the hand, hand on the ball, earth on the ball. So here Newton's third law, companion force to the force of gravity on the ball is the force exerted by the ball on the earth. First option is correct. Okay, next. The change in momentum per unit time of a body represents impulse, force, kinetic energy, resultant force. Here, the change in momentum per unit time of a body represents resultant force. Resultant force nothing but change in momentum per unit time. Momentum nothing but the product of mass and velocity. Change in momentum nothing but mv minus mu. So, resultant force is change in momentum per unit time of a body. So, that is F is equals to, from Newton's second law of motion, F is equals to ma. A is equals to V minus U by T. So, this is mv minus mu by T. This is change in momentum per unit time. So, the change in momentum per unit time of a body represents resultant force. So, fourth option is correct. Okay. Resultant force represents the change in momentum per unit time of a body. Okay. Next. While we catch a cricket ball, we catch it at the front and make the hands move with the ball backwards. Why is that? To reduce the impulse, to increase the time of contact, thereby increase the force, to increase the impulse, to increase the time of contact, thereby decrease the force. So here, while we catch the cricket ball, we catch it at the front and make the hands move with the ball backwards. Why is that? It is that to increase the time of contact, thereby decrease the force. We can decrease the force. So, by decrease the force to increase the time of contact. Okay. Next. A lift is going up with uniform velocity. When brakes are applied, it slows down. A person in the lift experiences more weight, less weight, normal weight, zero weight. So, a person in the lift experiences less weight. Okay. Why? Because the lift is going up with the uniform velocity. Next, a ball falls towards the earth. Which of the following is correct? If the system contains ball, the momentum is conserved. If the system contains earth, the momentum is conserved. If the system contains the ball and the earth, the momentum is conserved. If the system contains the ball and the earth and the sun, the momentum is conserved. So, here a ball falls towards the earth. The system, if the system contains the ball and the earth, the momentum is conserved. Okay. Conserved nothing but remains constant. Next, frictional force between two surfaces in contact is due to adhesive forces between the molecules, cohesive forces between the molecules, Repulsive forces between the molecules, both 2 and 3. Here, frictional force between the two surfaces in contact is due to adhesive forces between the molecules. Okay, first option is correct. Next, with the increase of temperature, friction increases, decreases, remains unchanged, may increase or decrease. So, if you increase the temperature, friction decreases. So, with the increase of temperature, friction will decrease. So, friction decreases. Next, a body lies on a table. Its weight is balanced by the frictional force, normal force. Force causes motion on the body surface of the table. So here a body lies on a table. Its weight is balanced by the normal force. So body weight is balanced by the normal force. Second option is correct. Next. Frictional force is conservative, non-conservative, always constant in magnitude, always zero. So frictional force is non-conservative. Okay. Next. Rolling friction is equal to static friction, greater than static friction, less than static friction, zero. So rolling friction is less than static friction. Next, a car is moving on a rough road with uniform speed. This means no external force is applied to move the car, no frictional force is acting on the car. External force causing the motion is equals to frictional force. Frictional force is greater than the external force applied. So here a car is moving on a rough road with uniform speed. This means external force causing the motion is equals to frictional force. Okay. Next. A body rests on a rough horizontal surface and no external force is applied on it. Then static friction acting on it keeps it in equilibrium. Frictional force acts in all directions between surfaces in contact which keep it in equilibrium. No frictional force is acting on it. Its weight is balanced by static friction. Here in this question, a body rests on a rough horizontal surface and no external force is applied on it. So then no frictional force is acting on it. Okay, there is no frictional force. No external force, there is no frictional force is acting on it. So third option is correct. Okay, next. Next, a car and a truck use similar tires. If they are moving at the same initial speed, the minimum stopping distance is smaller for the car, is smaller for the truck. Stopping distance is same for both and depends on color of the truck or car. So the minimum stopping distance is same for both car and truck. Okay. By applying sufficient external force, a body is made to move and the same force is continued. Then the body moves with uniform velocity, uniform acceleration, uniform retardation, zero acceleration. So here, by applying sufficient external force, a body is made to move and the same forces continue. Then the body moves with uniform acceleration. Okay. Next, a body is placed on a rough horizontal surface when the applied force and the maximum frictional force are equal and opposite. The frictional force is called rolling friction, sliding friction, limiting friction, air friction. Here, a body is placed on the rough horizontal surface when the applied force and the maximum frictional force are equal and opposite. The frictional force is called limiting friction. When the maximum frictional force and applied force are equal and opposite, the frictional force is called limiting friction. Okay. Next. The limiting friction between two surfaces depends on nature of the two surfaces, proportional to the normal reaction, independent of area of surface, all of the above. Here, The limiting friction between the two surfaces depends on all the above, all the three. It depends upon nature of two surfaces, it is proportional to normal reaction, and it is independent on of area of surface. So the limiting friction between the two surfaces depends on the all the three. So all the above. Next, iron nails are dusted with sand during rainy season to make it always wet, increase friction, reduce friction, stop the train. Here to increase the friction. Okay. Next, is it preferable to use small brakes or large brakes for a car? Small brakes, large brakes, both are equally effective as friction. None of this. So here small brakes or large brakes, which is preferable? Both are equally effective as friction. So okay, third option is correct. Next, when a bicycle is in motion and pedaled, the force of friction exerted by ground on the two wheels is such that it acts in the backward direction on the front wheel and the forward direction on the rear wheel, in the forward direction on the front wheel and in the backward direction on the rear wheel, in the backward direction on the both the front and rear wheels, in the forward direction on the both the front and rear wheels. So which one is correct? In the backward direction on the front wheel and in the forward direction on the rear wheel. Okay. Next, a body moves on a horizontal rough surface with acceleration A. When it is subjected to a horizontal force, if the applied force is doubled, it moves with acceleration equal to 2A, less than 2A, greater than 2A, equal to A. So here it is greater than 2A. Okay. Next, which of the following is wrong? Using ball bearings, sliding friction changes to rolling friction. Lubricants decrease the friction since intermolecular forces are weak in liquids. Over polishing increases friction since the molecules come closer. None. Here the incorrect statement is none. Why? Because all the three are correct statements. By using ball bearings, sliding friction changes to rolling friction, and lubricants decrease the friction. Why? Because it is we are using lubricants to reduce the friction, because intermolecular force are weak in the liquids. Over polishing increases friction since intermolecules come closer. So three are correct one. So none of these, here it is a wrong one. The three options are correct. So the answer is none. Next, the tangent of an angle made by the resultant of limiting friction and normal friction with the normal reaction gives kinetic friction, static friction, coefficient of kinetic friction, coefficient of static friction. This is coefficient of static friction. Next, if the external force applied in the horizontal direction on a block which is on a table is balanced by the frictional force, then such friction is called maximum friction, sliding friction, static friction, rolling friction. Here, if the external force applied in the horizontal direction on a block which is on the table is balanced by the frictional force, so then such friction is called static friction. Okay. Next, pulling of lawn roller is easier than pushing because weight of the roller gets decreased when it is pulled. Vertical component of the pulling force acts downwards and thereby decreases the frictional force during pulling. The vertical component of the pulling force acts upwards, thereby decrease the frictional force during pulling. The frictional force acts in the direction of motion of the roller and thereby making the pulling easier. So the vertical component of the pulling force acts upwards and thereby decreases the frictional force during pulling. Okay. So that's why pulling of lawn roller is easier than the pushing. When the ball is ready to slide down on inclined plane, then angle of repose is greater than angle of friction, less than the angle of friction, equal to angle of friction, equal to half of the angle of friction. This is angle of repose is equal to angle of friction. The friction between two surfaces in contact is independent of nature of surfaces in contact, area of surfaces in contact, normal reaction between the surfaces, all the above. Here the friction between two surfaces in contact is independent of area of surfaces in contact. Okay. Next, when a moving body is suddenly stopped, frictional force increases, roughness is found on the road, tires of the vehicle burst, the frictional force reduces to zero as it is a self-adjusting force. So here when a moving body is suddenly stopped, the frictional force reduces to zero as because it is a frictional force is a self-adjusting force. So fourth option is correct. Okay. Next, if mu, n and s represent the coefficient of friction, normal reaction and distance mode, then the general expression for work against friction is mu ns and mu plus n by s, mu n by s, mu s by n. This is mu n s. Okay. Next, coefficient of static friction depends on normal reaction, nature of surface in contact, both normal reaction and nature of surfaces in contact, none of these. So coefficient of static friction depends on nature of the surface in contact. Second option is correct. Next, the force of friction that comes into action after the motion has started is known as limiting friction, static friction, dynamic friction, none of these. So the force of friction that comes into action after the motion has started is known as dynamic friction. Next, the coefficient of static friction is always negative, always greater than 1, always less than 1, usually less than 1. So the coefficient of static friction is usually less than 1. Fourth option is correct. Next, if the normal force is doubled, the frictional force is half, doubled, not changed, 0. So if you double the normal force, then frictional force is also doubled. If the normal force is doubled, the frictional force is also doubled. Okay, second option is correct. If the normal force is doubled, coefficient of friction is half, doubled, not changed, 0. So if the normal force is doubled, the coefficient of friction is not changed. There is no change of coefficient of friction. A good lubricant must be highly viscous, low viscous, volatile in nature, highly viscous and low volatile in nature. So a good lubricant must be highly viscous and low volatile in nature. Fourth option is correct. Next, the rolling frictional force varies inversely as the radius of the roller, directly as the radius of the roller, inversely as the magnitude of rolling frictional coefficient, directly as the magnitude of rolling frictional coefficient. So the rolling friction force varies inversely as the radius of the roller. Next, circular wheels are preferable than square wheels. The reason for this is rolling friction is greater than kinetic friction, rolling friction is smaller than the kinetic friction, rolling friction is equal to kinetic friction, circular wheels are cheaper. Here circular wheels are preferable than square wheels. The reason for this is rolling friction is smaller than the kinetic friction. Okay. Next, when a person is walking toward the north on a rough horizontal road, the direction of friction acting on his feet is towards north, towards south, towards east, towards west. So when a person is walking towards the north on a horizontal road, the directional frictional acting on his feet is towards north. Okay, same direction. Dimension formula of coefficient of friction is ml t power minus 2, ml0 t power minus 1, m0 l0 t0, none. So the dimension formula of coefficient friction is m0 l0 t0. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.